42nd pre-competitive skill test. Pakistan thus falls in the category of the least literate countries of the world. Full stop. There are many reasons for this, but a chief one is that we have not spared sufficient resources for this vital sector. Full stop. While some countries have been spending as much as 26% of their annual budget on education, we have never allocated more than 5% for the uplift of education. Full stop. The fifth plan allocation was a mere 3.6%. Full stop. Lack of resources has meant lack of school buildings, lack of teachers, and above all, lack of incentive for the pursuit of education. Full stop. Nor can we ignore the sociological factor. Full stop. There has been a general devaluation of education in the national scheme of things. Full stop. New paragraph. Some of the issues to be taken up at the spring 1985 meeting: external indebtedness, protectionism, commodity prices, interest rates, capital flows, and problems of direct investment. Full stop. There has been no talks of concessions to be made by any side. Full stop. The development committee will, instead, concern itself with adjustments to be made both in developing and developed countries as a way to strengthen the world economy as a whole. Full stop. The meeting will identify the direction and nature of the adjustment process in both North and South and develop a framework for the adjustments to proceed smoothly. Full stop. It will also provide for the financing of adjustment process and will lay down the future role for the IMF and the World Bank. Full stop. New paragraph. The nature of the urgency will be evident if we look at the reality on the ground. Full stop. According to the latest statistics of the 1,30,00,000 school age children, only about 66 lakh school children are in the primary schools. Full stop. This works out to about 50% children being outside the schools. Full stop. But let us suppose that an official machinery is created, the out of school children are identified and their guardians persuaded to let then be educated, would there be enough schools to receive them? Question mark. The number of primary schools in 1984-85, according to the latest economic survey, is only a little over 75,000. Full stop.